Friends, happy Sunday. I have been having some technical difficulties, but hopefully I can get this seed haul out to you now. If you caught my last Walmart clearance video, you will see that I did catch a deal on tomato cages, the sturdy ones, last year's version. They were $5. I mean, they're regular over $5. And I found the last year's version for $2. So I'm going to also include a picture of them and the UPC tag at the end of this video. So stay tuned and be on the lookout for these in your local Walmart because they are more sturdier than this year's version and they're only $2. And you can use these year after year, so they are a good garden supply for you. So here's my seed haul. I did say that I could not grow marigolds. Well, that proved to be a lie because I do have marigolds growing outside. And they have not flowered, but they are big in the stem and leaf section. So hopefully flowers will come soon. So I bought this Queen Sophia, which looks gorgeous. I'm trying to get you. Okay, there you go. They look gorgeous. And there's enough seeds for a season in these packages. I am having some success with the nasturtiums. I have not worked up the nerve to eat a flower yet, but I will give it a try. But at any rate, these are good for pest control. I only have yellow ones outside, so I thought I'd grab the Dwarf Jewel mixed colors and give those a try because maybe there's different flavors in the colors. These sunflowers are Dwarf Sunspot. So they will work good in the Dollar Tree pots since they only get 2 feet tall. And again, there's enough for a season if you want a beautiful yard full of sunflowers. This here is the gray zucchini. I only bought 1 pack, but these look more like a store variety I've seen or a farmer's market variety. So I thought I would give it a try. And all the ones I've seen are pretty big. And I'm sure after a good rainstorm, we can grow these really big and have plenty of food. So if you see them, pick them up. I also bought 2 Early Wonder Tall Top Beets. Beets are so healthy and nutritious. I like to put them in juices. So I do have a juicer and I want it to grow enough for juicing and along with my orange tree and the other things I have going on that will make for some good health boosting juice. And beets can almost grow all year round here in Zone 9A, so this is something great to have. The Burpee container corn that I purchased is for $9.50 on Amazon. I called to get my money back, and they did give me the money back. They only had 25% germination, so I was not pleased. So I say I'm going to grow a storage tote with corn, and I'm going to put some of those seeds, hoping they'll germinate, along with some of these seeds. So those seeds were 60 days. So if they germinated, that would have been an amazing thing. But these seeds are 100 days. So I figure if I put them all in the same tote, I will have a good succession of corn to take me through the summer. And then I bought 2 of these. I have never seen a black Spanish radish. Hoping it tastes good. Radishes are a good source of nutrition. Good to slice up on salads. Good for quick pickling and adding to salads. So I am going to give these a try also. But they do have like a 55-day harvest time. So they're a longer growing radish. So I hope you like